ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for joining this webinar today. This is Ulrika. I'm the Business Development Manager in Modex 3D. Today's topic is Realize the T0 production of scooter part by machine digital twin with Gizmo Plastic Tech. This is a success story coming from the cooperation between Gizmo Plastic Tech and Modex 3D. Today's presentation is divided into 3 parts. I will start from the customer, which is Gizmo Plastic Tech's profile and the background of our cooperation project. Next, I will present this success case. The last part is the conclusion of today's presentation. Now, I would like to introduce Gizmo Plastic Tech to you. Gizmo Plastic Tech is a professional OEM providing total solution of plastic products to customers. Gizmo has passed ISO 9001 IATF 16949 international certificates. Gizmo has fully equipped factories and abundant R&D capability as well as an ISO or IEC 17025 certified laboratory. As a first-tier supplier of international brands such as Yamaha, Kimco, and Echo, Gizmo is deeply trusted by customers around the world, including United States, Japan, and Europe. Gizmo is providing the total solution of plastic products from design, production, to verification. In terms of design, Gizmo has capability in material formulation and analysis and design capabilities. In terms of production, Gizmo has various molding machine and assembly and secondary processing capability. In terms of verification, Gizmo has a TAF certified lab and full testing equipment. Gizmo is fully trusted by many customers. As you can see in the right figure, Gizmo got several awards, including the Yamaha Value Engineering Award, which is very valuable and precious award in Yamaha, and it is also an affirmation for Gizmo. Our motivation of this project is to make the part could start mass production with only one mold trial after design and CAE simulation.